In the vast expanse of the Pacific Ocean, 1,000 kilometers from any continent, lies a volcanic world, born of fire and sculpted by time. These are the Galapagos Islands, a living laboratory of evolution. Isolated for millennia, life here has taken a unique and extraordinary path. It is a realm where animals have no fear of humans, offering a glimpse into a world untouched. The island's most iconic resident and their namesake is the Galapagos giant tortoise. These ancient reptiles are the largest tortoises on Earth, moving with a deliberate, timeless grace. They thrive in two distinct environments: the lush, misty highlands where domed shell tortoises graze on abundant grasses, and the arid lowlands where saddleback tortoises stretch their long necks to reach cactus pads and sparse vegetation. Weighing up to 900 pounds, they spend their days grazing on grasses, leaves, and their favorite treat, the prickly pear cactus, spines and all. Moving from the lowlands to the cooler, greener highlands in search of food and water, they are often seen wallowing in muddy pools, which helps protect their skin from parasites. Remarkably, small birds sometimes perch on their shells, picking ticks from their skin, a unique example of symbiosis in the wild. These giants are a vital part of the Galapagos ecosystem. On the black volcanic shores, another prehistoric-looking reptile thrives. This is the marine iguana, the world's only lizard that has mastered the sea. To feed, they must brave the cold, turbulent waters, diving to graze on submerged algae. Their dark color helps them absorb solar heat after a chilling swim. Back on land, they huddle together in large groups, transferring body heat as they recover from the cold. It's a communal strategy for survival. Their unique ability to expel salt through specialized nasal glands is a remarkable adaptation, allowing them to drink seawater and eat salty food. The males, larger and more colorful during breeding season, engage in dramatic head-butting contests to defend their territories and win mating rights. As the breeding season approaches, their scales transform into vibrant shades of red, green, or turquoise. Newborn iguanas must make a desperate dash from their sandy nests to the safety of the rocks, evading predators. They instinctively scramble across hot sand, while Galapagos hawks, racer snakes, gulls watch for any movement. The Galapagos skies and shores are ruled by birds, none more famous than the blue-footed booby. Their comical name belies a masterful aerial diver. Those vibrant blue feet are a key part of their courtship ritual, with the brightest feet signal a well-fed, strong bird. The male performs a high-stepping dance, proudly displaying his feet to a prospective mate. The dance begins with the male pointing his beak and wings skyward, whistling loudly to catch the female's attention. He then lifts one foot at a time in a comical, exaggerated strut. If the female is impressed, she may join in, mirroring his movements and showing off her own feet, a sign of mutual interest. When hunting, they transform into living arrows, plunging into the sea from great heights to snatch fish from below the surface. Here, even penguins have adapted to life on the equator. The Galapagos penguin is one of the smallest in the world, weighing about 4 to 6 pounds and standing about 2 feet tall. They survive thanks to cool deep water currents that bring nutrient-rich waters to the surface and keep the surrounding sea temperatures low enough to support their unique way of life. They are a testament to nature's tenacity, nesting in volcanic crevices and caves to escape the intense equatorial sun. But not all birds here take to the sky. The flightless cormorant, found only on 2 islands, has traded flight for unparalleled skill in the water. Its wings are tiny, but its powerful legs propel it through the water as it hunts for octopus and fish along the seafloor. The magnificent frigate bird presents another paradox. A seabird that cannot get its feathers wet. It survives by becoming a master aerial pirate. With a massive wingspan, they harass other seabirds, forcing them to drop their catch in midair, which the frigate bird then snatches with breathtaking agility. Perhaps no animal group is more central to the Galapagos story than Darwin's finches. These small, Unassuming birds were the key to a revolutionary idea, the concept of evolution by natural selection. Observing them, Charles Darwin noted how each species had a beak perfectly adapted to a specific food source on its home island, a phenomenon that revealed how isolation and environmental pressures shape life. On the arid lowlands, the ground finch uses its powerful, crushing beak to crack open tough seeds, a trait that gives it a survival edge where food is scarce. In the forests, the woodpecker finch lacks the long tongue of its namesake, but ingeniously uses a twig or cactus spine as a tool to pry insects from tree bark, showcasing a rare example of tool use in birds. This phenomenon, known as adaptive radiation, shows how one ancestral species can evolve into many to fill different ecological niches, a living blueprint of evolution. The Galapagos Marine Reserve teems with life, a crossroads of tropical and cold water currents. These powerful oceanic forces collide, creating a unique blend of habitats that support over 2,900 identified marine species, making it one of the most biodiverse marine environments on the planet. Schools of colorful reef fish dart among vibrant coral formations, while apex predators like hammerhead and Galapagos sharks patrol the deeper waters. Sea turtles glide effortlessly through the shallows, and curious fur seals and playful sea lions weave through the kelp forests. The reserve is also a sanctuary for migratory giants, humpback whales, whale sharks, and manta rays, drawn here by the nutrient-rich upwellings. This underwater paradise, shaped by the meeting of warm and cold currents, is a vital refuge for both common and endemic species, a true testament to the ocean's incredible power and complexity. The flora of the Galapagos is as unique as its fauna. In the arid lowlands, giant prickly pear cacti have evolved thick, woody trunks and tree-like forms, some reaching approximately 40 feet tall. Their elevated crowns protect juicy pads and flowers from hungry tortoises. These cacti feature large flat pads covered in spines and produce vibrant flowers and edible fruit, playing a vital role in the island ecosystem. In the humid highlands is a strange and beautiful forest made of a giant daisy species, the Scalesia tree. These grow up to 65 feet tall, forming dense misty forests that shelter unique plants and animals, with soft wood and lush canopies. Along the coast, tangled mangroves create vital nurseries for young fish and sharks. These salt-tolerant trees stabilize sediment, filter water, and provide shelter for diverse marine life, thriving even on volcanic lava. Each creature and plant is a chapter in a remarkable story of isolation, adaptation, and survival against the odds. Through unique traits and behaviors, they thrive in this fragile ecosystem shaped by millions of years of evolutionary change and resilience. It's a fragile balance. The isolation that nurtured this unique biodiversity now leaves it critically exposed. Invasive species, climate change, and human pressures such as pollution and overfishing threaten extinction for irreplaceable species. Immediate constant vigilance, scientific research, and bold community action is essential to defend the Galapagos, our planet's living laboratory, before it's too late. The Enchanted Isles are a living legacy, a profound reminder of the planet's evolutionary power, and our shared responsibility to preserve its wonders for all time. They are the birthplace of modern biology and a sanctuary of irreplaceable biodiversity. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Galapagos, the Enchanted Isles. If you enjoyed this adventure, please subscribe to our channel for more wildlife documentaries and explorations. Don't miss our next video, where we uncover the hidden wonders of another extraordinary destination. See you in the wild.